If you've been wondering how to use LearnWorlds with Articulate Storyline 360, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll cover how to integrate the two and enhance your e-learning experience. Whether you're new to these tools or looking for ways to get more out of them, you'll want to stick around for the best tips and a special surprise at the end. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the integration process. When using Articulate Storyline 360 with LearnWorlds, you're essentially combining the rich, interactive elements of Storyline with LearnWorlds' powerful learning management system. Articulate Storyline gives you the flexibility to design custom e-learning modules, while LearnWorlds provides the platform to host and track your content. Next thing, you need to ensure your Storyline file is published correctly. To do this, you'll want to publish your Storyline project for the web. This ensures the SCORM, XAPI, or HTML5 output can be uploaded seamlessly into LearnWorlds. When you're publishing, make sure to select the SCORM 1.2 or SCORM 2004 option if you need tracking functionality. This is crucial for managing course completion and learner progress. The fourth thing to remember is the file upload process in LearnWorlds. Once you've published your Storyline file, head over to LearnWorlds. From there, go to your course, click on the Add Content button, and select the Upload SCORM option. This is where your Storyline project will shine. You can upload your SCORM package directly, and LearnWorlds will handle the rest, integrating the interactive elements right into your course. Another important consideration is testing. After uploading your Storyline file to LearnWorlds, it's vital to test the integration. Make sure all the interactive features work as expected. Sometimes, certain elements in Storyline like quizzes or drag-and-drop interactions might need tweaking to display properly in LearnWorlds. So, always preview and test your course before going live. Next, let's talk about reporting. One thing to note is that while Storyline does provide tracking and reporting, LearnWorlds takes it a step further. You can access detailed reports about learner engagement and progress, which helps you refine your course offerings. But be aware, tracking can be tricky when you're working with custom interactions. So, if you rely heavily on advanced Storyline interactions, be sure to review the tracking compatibility beforehand. Here's the thing, while LearnWorlds and Storyline 360 are powerful tools, they aren't always the easiest to set up together. If you're looking for something that's more intuitive and offers easier integration out of the box, you might want to consider other options. While these tools can work well together, the setup process might not be as smooth as you'd like, especially if you have complex needs. Which brings me to something important. I've got an exclusive deal for you on a free trial of a platform that makes this process easier and more seamless. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. This alternative not only integrates more easily with the goal of making your course delivery simpler, but it also offers a more streamlined experience without the technical hurdles. So, before you go, make sure to check out the link in the description. It'll lead you to a free trial and access to the best software alternatives. You don't want to miss it.